Hi guys, in this video I'm going to introduce the five different constraint methods that the follow-up video, the constraint race, will pit them all against each other in. So the first one I'm going to show you is the automated assemble command, which in Inventor 2015, when you place a component, you may have seen this new functionality where you can right-click and rotate around an axis, and you can also place the component grounded at the origin. But what you may not have seen is that if you just click with the left mouse button to place your component, you can continue to go on and place others, or you can hover back over the original component, and if you select some geometry, it then starts the assemble command, which allows you to straight away go in and place a component. So that's the first one. The next one I've called drag connect. With that, you basically place the component you want to place, and then with no commands active, if you hold down the Alt key and you pick some geometry and drag it, you can see that it's automatically inferred an insert constraint because I picked a circular edge. Now it's similar to the way imates work, but you can do it without any imates being created in the components to start with. The third way also requires you to place the components first, and that's just the good old constraint, where you select constraint, here's the insert option, and then pick the two circular edges. Now with those last two methods, if you place multiple components, you get a slight time saving in the fact that you can just hit enter in between to apply it and continue positioning. So that can be quite quick too. And the last method, she's a bit of a thoroughbred. She only likes a really well-prepared track, not so fast on unfamiliar territory. And what I mean by that is if you go to a bit of time and a bit of trouble and create imates first, you can actually, when you place a component, you can either select to automatically generate those imates when the components are placed, or you can tell it to interactively place the component with imates. Now there's a little trick that you can do with that option, but I'm going to show you the other one first. So this is horse number 4 in the race video. When I hit open now, you can see it automatically places it in the first available imate. If I hit enter, that then repeats the command to place. I can hit enter again to place another pin, and it will find the second imate in the list. So I can very quickly go through, and it's just a matter of keeping on pressing enter until all the spots are full. So that's turned out in the race to be a quick method, but like I say, you need to do a bit of preparation up front. Now the next trick that we called it a cheat in our race, but it actually would be the fastest in this scenario, would be to select the pin, go to the interactive placement, and then on placing, if you right click, you can say place it all matching imates. So that's done in a couple of seconds. So once again, it's horses for courses. Different methods are faster in different scenarios, but if you have the luxury of being able to pre-prepare your models with imates and you're placing similar kinds of components, that method is extremely fast. So I suggest you now watch the great Inventor constraint race for a bit of fun. Thanks.